5 simple ways to make your child read more. Readers are leaders, so make sure you follow these 5 steps to raise a little leader at home. 1. Start with simple books with easy language. Exposing them to tough books can make them feel that reading is very tough. 2. Create a cozy, quiet reading space with easy access to a variety of books, magazines, and age appropriate reading material. 3. Read together. My son and I spend 20 to 30 minutes every day reading together. We sometimes also discuss the books that we read. We have been doing this since he was 2 years of age. 4. Visit bookshops and libraries together. Can do this at least once a month. Let your child pick and read a book of their choice. And 5. Use audiobooks. Some children are auditory learners and learn better by listening to books. You can let your child listen to books on Audible. Save this video and share with someone who may benefit from this.